I'm going to show you how you can use Chatgpt, the AI-powered language model, to create your very own kid's storybook in 20 minutes and potentially earn up to $10,000 in just 30 days. Well, have you heard about Chatgpt and Midjourney AI? These two powerful tools can help you generate income on autopilot. You will be able to build and launch a successful business in just 10 minutes. In this video, we'll show you how to leverage the power of Chatgpt and Midjourney AI to create a passive income stream that can earn you money while you sleep. So, grab a notepad and get ready to learn the secrets of making passive income with Chatgpt and Midjourney AI. You'll be amazed to learn that a simple storybook for kids has already made over $1,000 in passive income. And guess what? You can do it too. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of launching a successful passive income business using the power of AI technology. We'll cover everything from generating the perfect book idea to creating top-notch content, to producing high-quality illustrations that will captivate your audience. But here's the catch: creating a storybook that can generate this kind of income is not as easy as it sounds. It requires careful planning, attention to detail, and most importantly, high-quality illustrations. That's where AI technology comes in. By using AI-powered tools like Chatgpt and Midjourney AI, you can create a storybook that stands out from the crowd and captures the hearts and minds of your readers. I'll take you through the process of launching a similar business, starting from generating the book idea, creating the main content, and finishing with high-quality illustrations. The best part is you can create this storybook in just less than 10 minutes for free, and anyone can do this. As you may know, in order to create a quality storybook, it's important to start with a captivating story concept. I decided to ask a chatbot to generate a potential title for a children's storybook, and the first suggestion provided was The Adventure of Snickers and Friends. So I tried regenerating a new title idea, The Magical Adventure of the Enchanted Forest. Sounds great, but we can always do better. The Magical Adventures of Sparky and Friends. That sounds like a good story. Then I asked Chatgpt to give me more details about the story, and I discovered that the story is about The Magical Adventures of Sparky and Friends is a children's storybook about a group of animal friends who embark on exciting adventures through a magical forest, learning valuable life lessons along the way. The story emphasizes the importance of friendship, teamwork, and using one's wishes wisely. It is filled with colorful illustrations that capture the magic and wonder of the forest and its inhabitants. So we move on with creating the book chapter outline. As you can see, this is the book outline and chapters. Chapter 1, The Hidden Cave. Chapter 2, The Lost Bird. Chapter 3, The Bully. Chapter 4, The Festival. Chapter 5, The Enchanted Garden. Chapter 6, The Magic Show. Chapter 7, The Treasure Hunt. Chapter 8, The Final Wish. Now that we have the story outline, we can begin producing the real storybook by using the chapters. To get started, all you have to do is copy the first chapter, which in my instance is titled The Hidden Cave. Paste it in the chatbot and wait for it to write the first chapter of your book. Then you can apply the same thing to all the chapters you can see. Here is all our chapters done in just a few minutes. We created a full story that can be turned into a book and earn money without me having to write anything. It's amazing how quickly we came up with the idea and wrote all the chapters, but we haven't started working on it yet. What's coming next will blow your mind. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Now we move on to the next step of creating the illustrations of your book to make it more enjoyable and funny to read. Adding illustrations to your book can make it more great and enjoyable to read. Whether you're writing fiction or nonfiction, children's books or adult novels, illustrations can add an extra layer of depth and engagement to your writing. And if you go to Upwork, you can pay thousands of dollars for people to create your illustrations. Imagine if I were to tell you that every image displayed on your screen was created using an AI generator. And the best part is that it didn't cost a penny. How would you react? I feel good! You might have had the software named Midjourney. Well, Midjourney is a tool that lets you generate images by just simply putting the text of the images you want, and Midjourney will do the hard work for you and create you best and better looking images. You can simply create a free account on Midjourney. The link is in the description. After you have joined their Discord server, you'll be able to view all the images that have been recently generated. With millions of users, new images are constantly being generated every second. To create your own image, you'll need to start by entering a prompt. To do this, simply type a / followed by what you want the image to be about. You can even use story chapters that you've generated before as a prompt. For example, if you previously generated a chapter titled Sparky and His Friends Discover a Hidden Cave and a Magical Crystal that Grants Wishes, you can copy and paste that into the prompt. Then, the AI art generator will create an image based on your prompt. After the image finishes generating, you'll see 2 rows of buttons. The top row, with buttons U1, U2, U3, and U4, will make your chosen image larger. The bottom row, with buttons V1, V2, V3, and V4, will create 4 new variations of your selected image with similar style and composition. To save the image, right-click and select Open Link, then right-click again and choose Save Image As to download it. To create a new image with the same style, copy the image link and paste it into the prompt before generating the new image. This will keep the same style. Once you have the new image, you can use the same button to upscale or create variations. It only took about 10 minutes to create all the illustrations needed using this method. Now that you have generated the images, I will show you how to combine them with the text generated by Chatgpt. This will create a storybook with a professional look and feel. To get started on creating your storybook, head over to canva.com and search for storybook. Once you find it, click on Create a Blank Storybook. Next, upload your AI-generated images to Canva and drag and drop your first image into the template. Now, go to ChatGPT and copy the first part of the story. Paste it on top of your image and adjust the text to your liking by changing the font, color, adding shadows, and more. Canva is great for beginners as it's easy to use and free. When you're finished, duplicate the template to save time and add new images and text while maintaining the same style. Repeat this process for all chapters of your book. Once you're done, save your book as a PDF and print. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first storybook. The final step to making passive income is to publish your book. So now that you have a full book ready to sell, my next video will show how to sell this book and make $10,000 in just 30 days. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for part 2 of this video.